Solve how to fix NVIDIA GeForce overlay not working on Windows. 1. Make sure GeForce in-game overlay is enabled. 2. Restart your computer. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Install all Windows updates. 5. Run GeForce Experience as an administrator. Like this. 6. Enable experimental features. Path, settings general about. 7. Disable third-party services via misconfig. 8. Repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. 9. Install a media feature pack. 10. Remove and reinstall GeForce Experience.